One question that we had asked the panelists as some information for the prospective candidates who are applying for jobs. What was your inflection point in your career that was very critical that allowed your career to succeed the way it has? Any things the things that happened in your career?
Patience. When I say patience, I mean that whatever work which you do, you always get a reward for that particular work. Not necessarily at the time when you want that reward, but eventually you get that reward. So if you have that patience and keep on working, you will eventually be rewarded. But sometimes you will get a reward at a time when you can't use that particular reward. There's no point in getting $1,000,000 when you are about to die and everything is going to happen. So there is a time, but the patience is extremely important for you to be able to take failures in stride and learn from the failures. So the point of inflection which you said, I'll tell my own story. I did my BTech from IT BHU, now IIT Banaras Hindu University. I had an opportunity to go abroad and do my masters and PhD. Always wanted to be in academics, come what may. But then due to some family circumstances, I could not go abroad. So I took admission in ICT, UDCT then, and did my PhD and have never regretted it. And I still remember words of Professor Sharma at that time in 1980. One of my friend who was to go to US had a party and Professor Sharma had come there, and he asked me, "What are you doing?" I said, "I have taken admission in UDCT." And he told me, "You see after 10 years where you are going to be and where he is going to be." And in terms of academic recognition, because I wanted to be, it was far more rewarding. So choice of the place, having patience is the one which will allow you to get the benefits and the fruits of your efforts, which you can enjoy it much, much longer. I happen to be in a position where I have always enjoyed doing what I enjoy doing and get paid for it. So that is not necessarily the condition and situation with everybody. But any job which you take up, you just got to have pluses and minuses. As long as the pluses is more than 50%, you can continue working. If the minuses become more than 50%, you can think in terms of changing a job.
Thank you for sharing that. Thank you.